ain't see it. What is the word, nigga? We ain't like everything that you do, it got me thinking. I'm winning the game, they think that I'm cheating.
It's your boy IQ. Today we finna react to the Crook dial tone. Shout out to all the subscribers, man. We at 500. Man, let's get to 1K. Just subscribe, man. I know what to do. So shout out to my boy Santos Draco. He said react to the Crook. All his music videos fire, so fuck it. Let's go.
Watch out for these hoes that be a downfall. Tryna drop me out, can't be around y'all. Wanna see me fall because I stand tall. Now when they call, all they get is a downtown. All I need my kizzy in my trap farm. Y'all niggas snake. Shots ringing like a name ringing like a downtown. Watch out for these hoes that be a downfall. Tryna drop me out, can't be around y'all. Wanna see me fall because I stand tall. Now when they call, all they get is a downtown. All I need my kizzy in my trap farm. Y'all niggas snakes, they ain't got no backbone. Yeah. Ringing like a dog. Niggas mad cause they see how I get it, they're flipping. Talking bad till we see them in public, they switching. No subliminals, niggas ain't being specific. Enough criminals, all of my niggas are with it. All of my niggas go get it. Fuck the opposition, all of them niggas can get it. Capping in they rap sweat, all of them niggas pathetic. Cross me.
Man, he sounds so different than the other Toronto rappers. Let me know like what side he from.
Yeah. Ringing like a dog. Niggas mad cause they see how I get it, they're flipping. Talking bad till we see them in public, they switching. No subliminals, niggas ain't being specific. Enough criminals, all of my niggas are with it. All of my niggas go get it. Fuck the opposition, all of them
Look at the edits too, man. The edits are crazy.
niggas are with it. All of my niggas go get it.
His head just got bigger right there.
Fuck the opposition, all of
Bro, that shit hard.
them niggas can get it, capping in they rap sweat. All of them niggas pathetic. Cross me in the past bet. All of these niggas regret it. Don't like it, better respect it. Know how we moving. AMGs when we cruising. Swagger oozing. Diamonds got these bitches choosing. Don't be stupid. Check the score, you know we ball. Get the drop and let it ring like a ringing like a downtown. Watch out for these hoes that be a downfall. Tryna drop me out, can't be around y'all. Wanna see me fall because
He said, watch out for these hoes, they'll be a downfall. Hey, man, I agree with that.
be a downfall.
Because they take up so much of your time.
Tryna drop me out, can't be around y'all. Wanna see me fall because I stand tall. Now when they call, all they get is a downtown. All I need my kizzy in my trap farm. Y'all niggas snakes, they ain't got no backbone. Yeah. Name ringing like a downtown.
Name ringing like a dial tone. That shit was hard for sure, man. Yeah, man, that shit hard, man. I definitely fuck with it, man. It's your boy IQ. You want me to react to some other shit, man? Comment down below. Subscribe, man. Follow me on Instagram at IQ. I'm out.